Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm pretty excited to unbox this. These are the DYNOELS windshield wipers, 26-inch plus 22-inch wiper blades for Toyota, Sequoia, Tundra, Honda Odyssey, Honda Civic. It's an all-season automotive replacement windshield wiper blades set of 2. So the wiper details has a one-piece boneless wiper design, advanced product design, simple and generous appearance, suitable for most models with a strong stability, not afraid of bad weather. And there's an appropriate interface, simple operation, and easy installation. Memory type steel, super resilient, effective fit, windscreen, super durable. So with this blade, it solves leakage, abnormal noise, shaking, and loud turning noise. And this one offers a wiper refill protector. Each wiper comes with a protective cover. Make sure you take it off before installation. And this one has a high quality natural rubber, longer service life, weatherproof, and windshield friendly. It is made for rain, snow, dust, and fog. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's going to show me in the description. And if there's a coupon box code, make sure you click on it. Then they have a different size length for different vehicles. And I'd like to give a shout out to Elena from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and check them out. And right here is the product description. So it's made by DYNOELS. All-weather performance, clean and quiet. And right here is the installation procedure, how to change the adapter, how to replace the refill, remove purple protector, and white compatibility. The product is made in China. So yeah, make sure you remove this purple protector. Pretty flexible. They come with different adapters. These are the different adapters for different types of vehicle. It's a K4. K3, K6. Alright, so let's go and then install this on the 2009 Honda Civic and check them out. Alright, so we're going to install this wipers on this 2009 Honda Civic. So it's pretty simple. You're gonna push this tab up and then detach it. And you're gonna pop this up, hook it over here, and then lock it back up. You're gonna yank the tab on the left and right hand side. You're gonna put it downward because all this is just a hook. Gotta make sure this one doesn't hit down to your glass by accident. It's gonna crack your windshield. So I'm gonna use the other hand to hook it right here and then lock it back up. And then let it pull outward, then lock it out. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Pop the cover up, pull it downward. Put the wiper down here just in case. Make sure you open this all the way, and then you're gonna hook it. Push up. Oh. In case this thing fall off, it's just pretty easy to clip back on to the bar right there. And then lock it, that's it, okay? And there you go. Let's go and then test them out. Let's go and then test them out. Wow, pretty nice. Better than Michelin. The one that we got from Costco. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one like always. Peace.